Welcome back to Revolution. Imagine a machine that fuses the might of a military-grade truck with the luxury of a five-star hotel and the cutting-edge looks of a futuristic sci-fi vehicle. Welcome to the 2026 six-wheeled Futuristic Beast luxury RV truck, a one-of-a-kind heavy-duty off-road marvel that redefines what it means to explore in style. This isn't just an RV. It's a self-contained, off-grid fortress that roars with power, dazzles with tech, and dominates with design. At first glance, the six-wheel configuration commands immediate attention. This is no ordinary RV. It's a purpose-built, high-clearance off-road monster designed to tackle deserts, mountains, frozen tundras, and war-zone-like terrain with absolute confidence. The six massive all-terrain tires ride on reinforced axles with independent suspension and adaptive damping. These systems work together to ensure that no landscape is too harsh, no road too rugged. Ground clearance. A towering 18 inches. Approach and departure angles. Extreme. This vehicle is built for the wild. Under the hood lies a turbocharged 10.0-liter V8 hybrid diesel engine, capable of producing an eye-popping 1,000 horsepower and over 2,000 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with a reinforced 8-speed automatic transmission and a multi-mode transfer case, the Powertrain delivers consistent performance whether you're crawling through boulders or cruising open highways. An intelligent 6x6 all-wheel drive system keeps all wheels locked in harmony, distributing power precisely where it's needed. The vehicle also comes equipped with an onboard tire inflation system, ensuring optimal grip no matter the surface. But power is only half the story. This truck is a luxury sanctuary on wheels. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a private jet than an off-roader. Premium Italian leather seating, ambient lighting, heated marble floors, and panoramic smart glass windows elevate the interior to next-level elegance. The driver cockpit features a full-width OLED dashboard, biometric ignition, AI-assisted navigation, and a 360-degree augmented reality camera suite. In the living quarters, you'll find a king-size memory foam bed, a retractable 65-inch smart TV, and a Bose surround sound system. The kitchenette boasts an induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator, and espresso machine, while the bathroom features a rainfall shower, automatic toilet, and an eco-friendly water recycling system. All utilities are powered by a roof-mounted solar array feeding into a 50 kWh battery pack, backed by a hydrogen fuel cell system for extended off-grid autonomy. There's also a satellite communication dome and Starlink internet support, because even in the middle of nowhere, you're still connected. Safety hasn't been compromised either. The armored underbody, bullet-resistant composite panels, and AI threat detection system offer unmatched protection. Advanced driver assist features like lane tracking, obstacle avoidance, adaptive cruise control, and night vision make long journeys effortless and secure. It even comes with a deployable drone surveillance system to scout terrain ahead or capture epic cinematic footage of your adventure. What truly sets the 2026 Futuristic Beast apart is its modular design. Want a rooftop deck with a hot tub? It's available. Prefer a mobile workstation, game room, or mini gym? Custom modules snap right into the chassis like Lego pieces. This vehicle isn't just about travel, it's about total lifestyle transformation. Priced upwards of $1.8 million, this ultra-luxury RV truck isn't for the average adventurer. It's for those who demand the extraordinary, who want to rule the road, off the road, and even beyond the road. Whether you're a digital nomad, extreme explorer, celebrity, or just someone who wants the wild without sacrificing comfort, this six-wheeled Titan delivers an experience unlike any other. So, if you're dreaming of a future where the wild and luxury collide, where technology, toughness, and comfort become one, then the 2026 six-wheeled Futuristic Beast is your ultimate ride. This is Revolution, bringing you the future of automotive exploration. Subscribe for more epic machines.